They put that in the box? Yeah, they put that in the box. Were you expecting that? No, I was not expecting that. They put that in the box. They really did it. Yep, they really did it. Hello and welcome to today's video. Fatima the Camel and I are glad that you have joined us. Yes, Anne and I are very glad to see you here. Today we have the September 22 BoxyCharm base box. It comes with a card. The theme this month is Strut Your Runway, so let's jump right on in and see what we have. Yes, let's. We have Anne's choice item from Wonder Beauty. Yes, this has a retail of $38. It is a combination blush and highlighter. This was my choice item. With the base box, you get to pick one item. This is what I picked. I'm leaving it closed up because I have so many blushes and so many highlighters. I thought this would be something nice to put into a donation box or into a giveaway box. And hopefully we will have a giveaway soon. It is in the shade Bare, and the highlighter is a neutral shade. This little item is from Pink Lips. It is brand new to Boxy. It is a nude color with a retail of $12. This is something that is not my usual choice of color palette, so I'm going to package this one back up, not use it, and also keep it for a donation or a future giveaway. The item that caused Camel and I to really scratch our heads was from the new company. It has a retail of $38, and the reason Camel and I are scratching our heads and shocked in wonderment is not a good wonderment. This is a product that I personally think has no business being in a subscription box, a beauty subscription box. If this was a healthcare subscription box, hey, go for it. But in a beauty subscription box, I don't want to be getting supplements. This is an immune boosting liquid that contains a blend of adaptogenic herbs and immunomodulating extracts. Well, like I said, I don't think it belongs in a beauty subscription box. The other problem I have with it is that it contains echinacea and other herbs that I cannot have due to medical reasons. So, BoxyCharm, if you ever should hear this video, take note. I don't think this belongs here. Yes, in the past, I have purchased other one-time boxes that do have vitamins or supplements. I'm okay with purchasing that type of a box where it's my choice. I can look up the item beforehand and know if it's something I can or cannot have and make a decision in that respect as to if I still want to buy the one-time box or not. Moving right along, we have the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. It has a retail of $28. I've not tried this one yet. I might already have one in my mascara lineup, so I will have to look at that more closely, but it's something to try, and it has a retail of $28, so in essence, it paid for the box. Next up, we have Bye Bye Puffy Eyes Cooling Gel Eye Cream with a retail of $24. I've given this a try. It is got a little bit of a medicinal smell to it. It also, to me, really didn't feel cooling, but we shall see. I have not heard of that item before, and according to the card, it says Glow On Fifth's best-selling formula is now available in a convenient full-size travel tube. Infused with caffeine, shea butter, and berry extract, swipe this eye balm on for instant refresher and major wake-up call. Formulated for all skin types to leave your under eye feeling hydrated, glowing, and cool. Can also help reduce the appearance of bags and dark circles. I'm definitely willing to give that a try. God knows I qualify under a few of those categories. Like I said, I tried it and it really seems more on a little bit of a tacky side. It took a while to absorb in, and even then it was still a little tacky. We shall see in time if this product works well for my skin type. So now moving on to the nitty-gritty details of this BoxyCharm Base Box. This box is $27.99. Shipping is free. For me, after taxes, we're talking $29. It weighed in at 11.8 ounces, and it is version number 8 with an overall retail of $137. Is it my favorite BoxyCharm base box? Heck no. It's on the lower end of the totem pole, primarily because of the supplement. So here's to hoping that the next box is better than this one. Yes. And if you would like to, please leave a comment below. What do you think about supplements in beauty subscription boxes? Do you agree or do you disagree? Like, comment, and subscribe. We are hoping to have a giveaway soon, and stay tuned. There should be some videos popping up on the screen that you might not have yet watched, and you might want to take a peek. And we do hope to see you again in another video where I am not ranting and raving like a wild woman. Yes, we hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.